this is another format of what a quadratic equation can look like. Okay, so we've got y equals a bracket x minus alpha squared. So the example I'm going to use is y equals 2 bracket x plus 1 squared. Now, that's in factorized form. Just say if I was to expand that just quickly, just one step, that's actually 2x plus 1 x plus 1. Now, let me just finish that. So, as for my previous video, it's the same format. But what you'll notice is that the x-intercept here is x equals minus 1. And x equals minus 1. So that means it's at the same spot. So our quadratic is going to look, that's minus 1, it's going to look like this. So that means it touches at x equals minus 1. It doesn't intersect because the points are the same, because we've got the squared here. Because it can't intersect in two places at the same place, twice at the same place. So it touches at minus 1. So it's a different format. So as you can see, when you look at the quadratic equation, what you're given, you're asked to sketch, just by looking at it and the format that it's given to you in, you can get a rough idea of what to expect and what it's going to look like. So there we have so that means it touches at x equals minus 1. So that means our axis of symmetry is x equals minus 1. Now if that's the case, well, x equals minus 1, that means our coordinate has to be minus 1, 0, because that's where it's touching. So straight away we've got our axis of symmetry and we have our vertex has to be at the same point. Alright, so it's not an intercept, it touches at x equals minus 1. Our axis of symmetry is minus 1, 0. So now we want our y-intercept. Now remember, y-intercept is when x equals 0. It's always good to know y-intercept, x equals 0, x-intercept, y equals 0. So when x equals 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 squared. So we've got y equals 2, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So that intercept there would be 2, and that would be a graph. Okay, obviously it would be drawn much neater and more symmetrical, but that's just an idea of looking at the different formats of the equation and being able to understand what it looks like.